And we could take a picture of you looking at it through the telescope.
Here, just go like this.
Oh, sure.
Hold it. I got it on video.
Oh, good.
And then, after you're done looking at the hair-like objects, look on the surface. Some of those dark areas are sunspots. And what they are is they are areas that are cooler than the rest of the solar surface. They're actually very bright, but since they're cooler, they're not as bright, they appear to be dark. But that doesn't mean they are dark.
Yeah, I see one hair up there and one down there.
Right, those are sunspots.
No, I think that's the hair prominences that she's talking about, because it's in at 1 o'clock.
Oh, the prominences.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
And then I see 3 dots kind of over here.
Yeah, I think that's the
And then there's
sunspot.
like 2 dots that are almost like clear, like they look like holes.
Okay,
Right.
now
Yeah.
look on the surface, away from the edge. Look in the middle, all around there.
There's like a boiling things in there.
Yeah, and you see there are things that are not uniform.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, those are sunspots. And they're actually a little bit cooler than the rest of the sun. They're only 10,000 degrees. The outer corona, the inner solar corona is over 1,000,000 degrees.
Wow, sometimes you can get it really clear.
Yeah, well that's,
Yeah.
see now, if you were looking at Jupiter or the moon or whatever, it would be like looking underwater. It would be terrible. But since it's red light, you can be that close to the horizon and it looks good. It always looks good. And the sun is about 1,000,000 times bigger than the Earth. And that's why anything you're looking at is the size of the Earth or bigger. Because the sun is 1,000,000 times bigger than the Earth. You could put 1,000,000 Earths inside.
Yeah, this one I can't see anything out of.
Well, I think I can move it. Maybe.
This one's better.
Yeah, I haven't, it's out of
Is it at the center
alignment.
or
Yeah,
Is it
it's
going
really
away?
good.
I,
Like sometimes I can get it so I can like.
I need to align it. I was in the process, but I didn't finish it. But this is really designed so you could use both eyes. But next year I'll definitely have both of them in alignment.
so you can put both
And then you
eyes.
can look with both eyes and get like a stereo effect, which is much better. But
How cool.
yeah, that's my plan.
Yeah, you can see it looks like boiling.
Oh yeah, yeah. You're looking 93 million miles
Wow.
away. It's so far away it takes light 8.5 minutes to get here from what you're looking at. 8.5 minutes. When you look at the moon, it takes half a second
Wow.
to give you some idea of how much closer the moon is than the sun. And when you look at Saturn, like next year or whatever,
Sometimes the dark spots almost look like holes,
right,
and then you can see like it looks like water droplets, but it's kind of like bubbly.
right. This is all what's called plasma. This stuff is so hot that the atoms, most of the atoms they've been stripped of their electrons. This is, and the whole thing is powered by something called fusion, which is where the 2 hydrogen atoms come together to form a helium atom, and they give off tremendous amounts of heat. So this is a
Helium.
thermonuclear that keeps the sun going and has for 5 billion years.
Natural nuclear plant.
And the sun's got about another 5 billion, and then it'll turn eventually into a white dwarf. Of course, the Earth will be long gone by then, but it'll be stable for at least another 1 or 2 billion years. So,
It'll be a long drive.
so if humans could just keep going, you know, the sun won't kick out first. That's for sure.
Now, why do I get it so it's coming in perfect and then it moves?
Oh, yeah, I guess is it moving?
Well, then it like isn't perfect and I have to adjust it a little bit.
Oh yeah, sometimes it does. I think. Is it out of alignment?
Well, it may not be tracking perfectly either.
Yeah, it's
That's
not.
our other
But it's
problem.
still there. So
There,
far.
it's still cool.
Yeah, we have a guy in
Yeah, it's not well
Tucson
aligned.
that helps us out with everything.
That needs some fixing.
Yeah, and he's got to look at it next March. And his company name is on the ground there.
Is that when you have astigmatism you have to wear the glasses or no?
Oh.
What?
Oh,
Do you have
You
astigmatism?
have astigmatism?
yes.
Oh yeah, you have to wear your
then
glasses.
keep your glasses.
So it will be sharp. I think that's.
Oh, that's better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
would be recommended.
Oh,
It's hard to see though.
yeah, that makes a
Yeah.
big difference because your glasses will cancel out the astigmatism, which means you can see